Welcome to Tom's Almost Edible Cakes to learn to learn OOPS fundamental concepts in programming. You see cake, you eat it. That's the rule. Speaking of rules, object-oriented programming is like running a chaotic bakery in an organized way with actual rules. Well, hey Milk, can I inherit your homework? That's not how inheritance works. Respect OOP or don't call yourself classy. Attention class, inheritance, encapsulation, polymorphism, abstraction. The 4 pillars that hold your code upright are inheritance. Tom owns a bakery and today he's got 2 special orders. 1 pistachio cream cake and 1 chocolate cream cake. So he sets up 2 cake machines, one that beats a sponge cake and adds pistachio cream and another that bakes a sponge cake and adds chocolate cream. If the customer wants a new flavor later, no problem. Just add another machine the same way. Want another one? Just set up another machine. Whoa, wait a second. Hey, what do you do? I bake a sponge cake. Oh, nice. Hey, what do you do? I bake a sponge cake. Nice. You sir? I bake a sponge cake. Same, I do the same thing. We were literally buying new ovens just to bake the same sponge cake. Instead, we can reuse one base sponge cake maker and just slap different creams on top. New flavor, easy. Just extend the base cake. Genius, right? This geniusness is called inheritance in programming. Same core, extended to different personalities. Speaking of different personalities, let's dive into polymorphism. Cakes are done. Now let's pack them all with a cookie and a drink. Did anyone order a drippy cardboard shake? Alright, each item needs its own kind of packaging. Cakes go in boxes, cookies in paper bags, drinks in closed cups. Right now, I got 3 buttons, but only 2 hands. Pathetic life, huh? What if we could do it with just one single button and it magically figures out how to pack each item correctly? This magic is called polymorphism. One pack button, but it behaves differently depending on what you are packaging. Hey, I'm just doing QA testing here. Some things are better kept inside the box. Just like abstraction. Hey, what do you have? Well, we have got flour beaten like my patience, eggs cracked like my bank account, milk stirred with existential dread, baked at 180 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes, then smothered in hand-whipped chocolate cream, hot and sugary. I just wanted a chocolate cake. Oh, right. We have chocolate cake. That's exactly what I said. Sort of. This is where abstraction comes into play. People don't need all the messy details. Just show them what matters. And cake matters. Period. Like how nobody asks what's really inside instant coffee. Forget keeping secrets. Lock them up. As we now look into encapsulation. Some things better kept private. Like my great grandma's secret cake mix recipe. The one she earned after a blindfolded chess match. Oh, actually, the other person was blindfolded, not her. No one gets in here without permission. Even though we could provide cakes to everyone, there is a desperate need to protect the inner chef secrets. And remember, without OOPS, your code, your cake could easily turn into a spaghetti.